Well, firstly, I want to congratulate, of course, Aparna, her wonderful team, for believing in this show. I want to thank her from the bottom of my heart. Also, Karan, who's the creator of this show, he really has put together a very interesting season 3, which I'm sure everybody will enjoy very much. Kanishk, our director, and of course the amazing cast who's been with us over the last 2 seasons and now the third. So I want to congratulate all of them for putting together something really good.
Please join me in welcoming the director of Inside Edge Season 3. Please put your hands together for Mr. Kanishk Verma.
It's just been a dream for me. I've always said that everything that happens in my life is going to be pre and post Inside Edge. And it was just such an amazing experience with the backing that I got from Excel, from Karan, the free hand that he gave me, the great cast. We just had a lot of fun doing the show. It was stressful on days, but I mean, now when I look back, I am just so happy that we went with it and everyone gave their 100%, and I hope you all feel the same way.
Vikrant Dhawan is back for his revenge, to take back what is rightfully his. To answer your first question, Vikrant के लिए अब सिर्फ खेल मैटर करता है. It's not the results. It's the game that he's playing that matters most. क्योंकि जब तक विक्रांत गेम में है, he can turn the tables anytime.
Well, Zarina is up for something big this time. किसको हराना चाहती हैं Zarina?
नहीं, मैं किसी को नहीं हराना चाहती, मैं तो बस खुद जीतना चाहती हूँ. And I think as a woman, Zarina's been watching the game from a distance for a very long time. पर अब गेम के पास जाके उसको बदलने का वक्त आ गया है. And you know that the big chair of the ICB is up for grabs this season, and she's not going to stop at anything.
So well with the audiences in India and beyond, spanning 3 seasons or 3rd season coming up.
Well, the secret sauce is the perfect mix and the perfect balance of cricket and entertainment. You know, this country loves its cricket. This country loves its entertainment on screen. And Inside Edge brings those two together perfectly. You know, so I mean, there's drama, there's thrill, there's sporting action. So the entire kind of up and down and emotional upheaval and disappointment that it can bring when you're watching a game. And some really fantastically written characters and character arcs. So I feel it is engaging for audiences across all ages, across all genders, and that's what really makes it tick.
Richa, you've been a part of the season since the first season. What is it that keeps Zarina going?
Revenge is a lazy form of grief, they say. So I think she's somewhat sad and hurt about what had happened in the past. So she's trying to. I see you nodding, Tanu. She's very focused on getting what she wants. She feels she's been wronged, and that keeps Zarina going. What keeps me going with this show is I'm tremendously excited about the format. I remember when this show first came to me, I felt really fortunate, but also everybody around me told me कि अरे web series, hi, career खत्म हो गया, all that. I want to ask where. Anyway, so I'm just saying, for me, this show really perfectly bridged the gap between what the urban Indian wanted to watch, and you know, maybe not everybody can relate to Saas Bahu, no offense, and not everybody wants to only watch international content that is dubbed in. So this provided something to a whole class of people that were neither here nor there. So I'm really excited about the format.
And actually, first, I'd really like to thank Karan and Kanishk for, you know, I had never really played cricket before, personally. And they trusted me to, you know, go off and learn, and gave me an incredible coach, Prashant, and I worked day and night with him. And I just really, I mean, it's really thanks to them that they trusted me enough to go work on this thing, because Rohit is a great batsman. So yeah, that's the gist of the guy.
Wishing you all the best, and a big shout out to Prashant Kataria as well.
Absolutely, man. He's fantastic.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
Tanuj, how your character has evolved in all these 3 seasons. You have just talked about it, but through all those manipulations, all those maneuvering tactics, and are you going to wear the proverbial hat of the captain in this one?
I think think the answer to all your questions will be out there from the 3rd of December, because we can't get into spoiler territory right now. But I mean, leading up to this point, of course, you know, like just in real life, as we grow and we evolve, so do these fictional characters. And as I gave in my previous answer, a lot of credit has to go to Karan and the writers, because they have made sure that he's not just one prototype character, you know, because you guys loved him the first time around, but if we just did a rehash of that and there was nothing new to offer in the second season, then you guys would get bored. So we have tried to keep the momentum and give him interesting scenarios, show how he reacts to different situations, different people, some strife in his personal life, some strife in his career, and everything come together. So it's been fascinating, and I don't think he's ever been tested as hard as he's about to be tested in the 3rd season. But for the answers, you'll have to check out Inside.
How do you see all these layers? Are they evolving? Does that help you evolve as a person, as a performer as well?
That's a very Kanda question. Lots of layers in that question itself. You know, if we go back to the genesis of Inside Edge, it became India's first multi-genre series, right? You had two things, sports and politics, which are both highly spoken about. At every pan ki tapri that you go around, you know, to every boardroom that you go to in India, there'll be a conversation about cricket and politics, always. So that obsession kind of was written in. But how do you make it interesting? I think the soul of Inside Edge, Karan and the writers, what they've created is the characters. That's why there's such a high sense of identification with every character. When you read forums, when you read responses, when we go online, when we meet fans, they're always relating to each character, right? They've got some personal relationship going on with each character. Somebody's totally in love with Shayoni, somebody's totally in love with, you know, what Tanuj is playing as Vayu. So I think that connect is what matters. And how do you keep that connect? Over the past 4 or 5 years, over 3 seasons, you have to keep layering the characters, peeling layer after layer, getting you to see deeper, getting you to know them more, getting you to see their vulnerabilities. And that is a writing challenge. And that I think Karan and his writers have done phenomenally well. And that's what the differentiator of this show is. Every single character has Kanda, has layers, has a potential to grow, but no bad breath, I promise you.
मेरा सवाल करण से रहेगा। करण, पिछले 2 सीज़न में हमने देखा कि आपने जो इनसाइड एज था वो फ्रेंचाइजी लीग पे आधारित था। इस बार ट्रेलर में हमने देखा कि टेस्ट मैच को आप ला रहे हैं, इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान को दिखा रहे हैं। क्या रीज़न रहा कि फ्रेंचाइजी लीग से उठा के आपने टेस्ट मैच पे पूरी स्टोरी प्लॉट की, एंड देन इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान क्या कुछ ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग प्लॉट रहा?
So India versus Pakistan Test series is like, you know, the final sort of frontier of what you want to depict, you know, in a fictional sense of what a cricket का जो मुकाबला है, what that has to be like the greatest show, right? So we were always building up towards this. I mean, T20 is not. According to me personally, is a bit of a corruption of the game. I'm a purist, and you know, one was always trying to get to this point to show what cricket really is about, and you know, the skills that it requires to be a test player is really true. I think that has changed in the last few years. T20 has become a very different sport from when it started out, and when we started out also. It's in the last 5-6 years it's evolved a lot. But having said that, I can't think of a more fun event than an India-Pakistan Test series, because that is really a true test of who we are, and you know, in sports.
मेरा सवाल रीचा से है। रीचा, यू आर लुकिंग ब्यूटीफुल एज ऑलवेज, स्पेशली इन दिस लुक। सीज़न 3 आप कर चुकी है और 2 सीज़न ऑलरेडी में आपकी तारीफ हो चुकी है। आईपीएल और क्रिकेट के बारे में कितनी फैमिलियर आप हो चुकी है?
मैं बचपन में क्रिकेट जब मैंने देखना शुरू किया, मेरा भाई भी खेलता था कुछ समय के लिए दिल्ली में, पर मेरी जो पहली मोहब्बत राहुल द्रविड़, पहले हमने उनको बहुत देखा और धीरे धीरे जब वो फेज़ आउट हुए तब कुछ हद तक क्रिकेट देखना भी बंद हो गया और मैं ओपनली ये कन्फेस कर सकती हूँ आपके सामने। और अब जैसा कि आप जानते हैं मैं बहुत सारा क्रिकेट दोबारा देखने वाली हूँ। इतना ही कहना है, बस आप सीरीज़ एंजॉय करें। इस बार बहुत सारे उतार चढ़ाव है, बहुत सारी पॉलिटिक्स है और बहुत सारे पावर स्ट्रगल्स आपको देखने को मिलेंगे।
आई एम श्योर इस बात से आप 100% एग्री करेंगे कि जितनी तवज्जो क्रिकेट को दिया जाता है इंडिया में उतनी और स्पोर्ट्स को नहीं मिलती है। तो इस सीरीज़ में क्रिकेट के डार्क साइड को दिखाया गया है, जो डोपिंग होती है क्रिकेट में, लेकिन बाकी स्पोर्ट्स में भी होती है। आप भी वाकिफ़ है इस चीज़ से, तो क्या आगे प्लान है कुछ भी और दूसरे स्पोर्ट्स में भी डार्क साइड को दिखाने का?
इस वक्त तो मैं सच कहूँगा ऐसा सोचा है नहीं, लेकिन खुशी की बात यह है कि अब जो एक फोकस है इस देश का वो सिर्फ क्रिकेट पे नहीं है। बहुत सारे ऐसे स्पोर्ट हैं जो मतलब उभर के आगे आ रहे हैं। बैडमिंटन देख लीजिए आप, बॉक्सिंग देख लीजिए, रेसलिंग देख लीजिए, बहुत हॉकी देख लीजिए, बहुत से ऐसे स्पोर्ट हैं। मैं बहुत होंगे जिनके मैं अब लिस्ट में नहीं कह रहा हूँ आपसे, लेकिन एक नज़रिया है देश का और सरकार का भी स्पोर्ट के ऊपर, और वो चाहते हैं कि बच्चे जो हैं वो अलग अलग स्पोर्ट में एक्सेल करें। नाइस प्लग ना, थैंक्स कि वो बेहतर परफॉर्म करें। थैंक यू। और ये जब मैं देखता हूँ और जब मैं ऐसी खबरें सुनता हूँ, ट्रैक फील्ड में भी बहुत नाम कमा रहा है। अब आपने देखा नीरज चोपड़ा जो है, मतलब जैवलिन में, कभी सोचा था आपने कि जैवलिन में कोई ओलंपिक गोल्ड मेडल जीत के आएगा इस देश में? हमने तो कभी ऐसा सोचा नहीं था। तो ये सब मतलब एक सालों की मेहनत का नतीजा है। ये मतलब ओवरनाइट तो ऐसी चीज़ें नहीं होती। तो ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि अलग अलग चीज़ों पे भी फोकस हो रही हैं, और जिस तरह से हम ज़्यादा एज अ व्यूअर, एज एन ऑडियंस, एज अ फ़ैन उन स्पोर्ट्स में दिलचस्पी लेंगे, उन पर कहानियाँ भी बनना शुरू हो जाएंगी। ये जाहिर बात है, क्योंकि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री जो है, क्रिएटिव इंडस्ट्री जो है, वो देखती है कि सोसाइटी में क्या हो रहा है, कि क्या कैसी चीज़ें हैं, लोगों को क्या पसंद आ रहा है, उन्हीं पे कहानियाँ बनती हैं। तो उस पर भी बनेगी डेफिनेटली।
सयानी, जितनी डार्क साइड इस क्रिकेट की दिखाई गई है यहाँ पे, तो आप किन किन चीज़ों से पहले वाकिफ थी? कुछ नया भी जानने को मिला कि ये भी चीज़ें होती है क्रिकेट में?
मुझे तो जितना भी पता चला वो सब नया ही है, क्योंकि मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था क्रिकेट के बारे में। मैं देखती थी बचपन में अपने नानी के साथ बैठ के एक्चुअली, पर टेक्निकलिटीज़ नहीं पता थी। और इनफैक्ट जब करण ने मुझे कास्ट किया था तो करण ने मुझसे पूछा कि आपको आता है क्रिकेट, कुछ जानती हैं आप उसके बारे में? तो मैंने बोला नहीं, नॉट रियली। तो करण ने बोला हाँ, अभी इंडिया वेस्ट इंडीज़ का एक टेस्ट सीरीज़ चल रहा है, आप जाके देखो। So I went back home and I saw. I just knew, I mean, they're wearing white clothes, so it has to be test match. And I knew there are 11 people on either sides. तो 3-4 दिन बाद करण को आके मैंने बोला, मैंने ना देखा, पता है बहुत मेथड एक्टर हूँ मैं, मैंने देखा। तो करण ने बोला, जिस दिन मैंने बोला था वो सीरीज़ तो रेन की वजह से रुक गई, आपने क्या देखा? तो मैंने बोला ओह अच्छा। तो बोला आप तो हाइलाइट्स देख के आई हैं, आपको ये भी नहीं पता कि हाइलाइट्स हो रही थी और असली मैच नहीं चल रहा था। तो आई हैव कम फ्रॉम देयर, पर आपको पता नहीं चला होगा क्योंकि मैं एक्टिंग ठीक ठाक कर लेती हूँ। तो
I think in, when Karan shared season 3, the script, I read it and I called him back, and I remember and this is going to sound like a plug, but it's not. I was like, I was totally at a loss of words. I was like, damn, this is so good. To me personally, and I think a lot of us will agree here, I think that Inside Edge season 3 is the best season yet. What do you guys think? Absolutely. Yeah? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah?
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Tellychuckers YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.